All right, so special thanks to today's company. There's the company name. Thank you for sending me these magnetic metal phone stands. Now, they do make these in a couple of different colors. They make them in a silver, they make them in a black. This happens to be the black version. This is just what you get for your phone, original design. Sticker sadly covers the nice photo here on the back, but I'll show you what that looks like. So let's cut this little bit of tape here, and then there we go. Magnetic bracket. Look at that. What a nice little packaging, in my opinion. So there is some magnetic rings that it looks like you can use to stick on other phones that do not already have a magnetic ring. Now my iPhone 13 Pro here comes standard with said magnetic ring, so I don't need that. How to use? Look at that, little tips of how to use it. Yeah, and it even says MagSafe phones like IP13 series and 12 series, so iPhone 13 series and 12 series, can be attached to the bracket directly without the metal plate. That's the metal plate. Nice that they give you those. Also pretty cool that they give you two of them, because then you can have it on multiple devices. Oop. All right, so move this. So this is the actual magnetic phone stand, and this is the part that will magnetize to the phone, like so. Now I can set my phone that way if I wanted to. It looks like it easily, look at that, it very easily turns and doesn't, like it takes a good bit of strength to pull it off there. Now we can also set our phone like that. That's a nice way to set your phone, watching something, you know, on a desk. But I think a lot of people would really like this. You can kind of grab your phone, use it for what you need, and then just kind of set it back down. And then a few minutes later, your phone goes off. You grab it again. You use it for what you need. Blase, 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 and it's always kind of ready to go. Now it is kind of cool that this snaps back, makes it a little foldable. But I don't think you'd ever really leave this on your iPhone. You'd kind of leave this at your desk and just, you know, use it as you need it. That's it. That's pretty cool. I love how it works. It does feel like it's a really good grade material. Like none of this feels cheap. It feels like real good metal, and the bracket seems to really stick on there. So definitely like that. And with these included metal plates, you could technically use this for any phone. It doesn't have to be an iPhone. With that plate on it, it'd become magnetic. And so you'd have the same nice feature for whatever phone you're using. There we go. That will do it for the magnetic metal phone holder stand.